Saldira is a tribe of Joya Rajputs. The members of this family have maintained their tribal and Rajput status at various times. The ruler of Saldira state was Ghulam Qadir Khan Saldira, whose palace is located on the banks of river Sutlej in Borewala. It is known that Saldira is a branch of the Joya tribe. The place of Saldira was settled during the Akbari period or earlier. According to its name, this area got the name of Saldira. With the passage of time, the spread of the family increased and new settlements were established. Basti Karam Shah, Basti Raja Ali Ahmed, Haji Ahmed, Mahmood Khan, and Zaman Kot, apart from them. Basti Koda Saldira is an ancient population where the members of this family live. These settlements were mostly settled by the elders of Saldira family. The Saldira population is mostly found in Malisi, Bahawalnagar, Bahawalpur, Multan, Hashilpur, Borewala, and Ferozepur. Saldira use titles Mian, Sardar, Raja and Maher along with their names. Famous personalities: Mian Ayub Khan Saldira, Mian Muhammad Imran Ayub Khan Saldira, Liaqat Khan Saldira, Mian Ali Sufyan Saldira, Sardar Zafarullah Khan and Sardar Saifullah Khan Saldira, written by Saldera Joya.